All right, so you guys remember I did a video when Sly Papa was insulting Big Grace, and I advised my test people to be careful because it can easily happen to them too. Charlie, the day has finally come where Sly Papa is insulting Tessy and all that because apparently Megan and Matesba went to insult him, and he is saying that Tessy sent these people to come and then insult him. So Charlie, it was Wotupa on the timeline, and you know how we do it. We'll bring you every video when it comes to PM Extra. So subscribe, like, share, and then put us on post notification. This is Loyalty TV Studios. Smash the subscription button so that whenever we post, you get to see what we're doing on this platform. So I'll play the video for you of what is going on. After that short break, we're back to give you back to back again on what is going on. So Sly Papa again, Charlie. Man with this woman like that, yeah, you know, be cool, but you still have to see and then watch here what is going on. So let me play the video for you. When we watch the video, then I'll give you the feedback and then the reactions. We'll be back with more.
Mugasa me ye coward, me strobe the woman Megan, Obekasa me a Kowensani, Uni Chasiri, Mega Uni Chasiri Trim, Kwasiaba. Uni chasiri twem minni wonu pepe abua kwasi abate se wo fi wate kwasi ampeni ba me say Tessy say mumbedi matem Tessy say mumbedi matem me say I don't have nothing to lose, so we are going to drag it blue and black kwasi afon krasefo kwasi afon asem ne ba ye mu sa mi kabi manyama asem me na manyama asem ne mababe trose nipa no so de mbeba betena hanse agumani mase e na mababe trose on be gumani me pese obi ehunu ansa na wa ba TikTok ha so omo ba na omo ka no mo hu emfa mo PM Extra ho won se maka PM Extra asem biom won se maka bibio kom niema hunu danti me mfa me hu wron pro for relationship mu me mba mbe ye third person me ntan Tessy na me ntan Martin ade na be gidi matem wo Megan wo di matem wo ni trasiri Megan kwasia wo Matesba wo di matem wo Matesba wo di ma wo ni trasiri kwasia for me yakwawensa ni mepe ebi wo mu fie Matesba me yakwawensa ni ebi wo mu fie me say still Tessy asoma mo say mu medi matem be ye bloody wo app no so me di mu ka bo ka cham say me wo abna spanky wo abna spanky kono ko bra bella de panon kan chrew kono ko bisa bella de panon kan chrew onsama omni mini baby kono ye kaye mo unsa me ba live me kama kuma to me ye me say me pese me de me hu be wura bibia mu me pese me ka because me nti obi asem ma yi me ho me ti me baby nkwasiafo nkrasefo mu be di matem me ye ni matem o ye ni matem me kan kire mo me di manim na ba me kun as wo Matesba so free adwuso me say adwuso akonya biara ewo adwuso man hema si biara no me nsa akonya no ni wo be di me say nsuo biara eda adwuso bia a wo so wo ye adwuso man ba wo sa ba yo we wo so life so mo medi matem me say omo no wo be di papa ye ntam asem say me ma be tro ma de ma bo obi din a ma be tro ma asem ma bo obi din wo Mega wo be ka say me Muni chasri bako.
Alright, so this is what happened. This is the reaction from this particular video. So let me read some of the reactions for you, and then we take it from there because the Wotu Sly Papa they give there, Charlie. And for me, I'm not surprised. If you are somebody who has been following, this platform, you know that I'm not really surprised because when he was insulting Big Grace, I did a video to caution my test people that this day will come. Then I am, she babe says that we suffer power with laughing emojis. Nora says this man cry why. Erica Ajekum says it go reach everyone. This is what I was talking about, that it go reach everyone. Auntie Nana says peace must reign. But Charlie, it be like Sly Papa and peace there, then be opposite side. So when it comes to Sly Papa, there is nothing like peace. So let's move on Era says my in with a lot of laughing emojis. Hey, not even a new year, Charlie. This be how we enter the new year. Utu like that. This be how we enter the new year. Utu season like that. So let me move on. Abna Boy says next year, please don't join any ship. Aye. So basically, Abna is saying that season 3, when the show starts, don't join any ship because Charlie season 1, you were with the winner. It didn't end well. Season 2, you supported someone who eventually became the winner, and it's not going well as well. So next year, just enjoy the show. Stay out of it. Don't support any other ship. Jamila Tiakubi says, please, you are shouting. Hey, so these people are fighting Wahala. Empress says blue and gold. I'm waiting for one particular comment. So Abdul Azizu says, a guy always fighting with ladies. When I see certain people supporting a fan base, I don't support it because of what happened in season 1. I'm sure that in season 3, I'm very sure that in season 3, anybody that Sly Papa will support might not get a lot of fans because Charlie, the toxic around this guy is too much. So people will stay away from wherever he is. So Charlie, season 2, it will be very interesting. But this is Loyalty TV Studios. Just smash the subscription button, like, and then put us on post notifications so that whenever we post, you get to see what we're doing on this platform.